FOID license. So what is a FOID license? FOID license basically allow you to keep the ammunition. That allow you to sell and buy the ammunitions within United States. And with the FOID license, you actually can carry the license from one place to another place. Without that, there will be a great fine. So from where you can get the FOID license? To get the FOID license, you need to apply online. There is a website, Go FOID, FOID, that is Fire Honor Identification Number. You have to apply there, and there will be the fee like it will be $11 fee for the FOID card, and usually it will take 30 days to reach the card in your mail. But this year, a lot of the people are waiting to receive their FOID card. So the question is, what you can do with your FOID card? There the you can keep the ammunitions, and if you want to do some shooting and games, and you want to carry that ammunition in your car, you must having a concealed carry. Concealed carry means loaded gun. With FOID license, you can keep the guns and ammunition, but that should not be the loaded one. With concealed carry is a step ahead. That is the more secure. Like they given to the people who having the more awareness about the ammunitions. So the concealed carry license also you apply online. There is a website. When you will write on the Google FOID license, and the website will the pop up. You have to apply there, and if you have in the concealed carry license, then you can keep the loaded guns. But with the FOID, you just allowed to buy the guns and ammunition. That's what the Walmart is doing. Walmart have stopped selling the ammunition from January 2020, and till now they are selling some ammunition, but that that is only the leftover. So once the stock finished, Walmart is not going to sell anymore. So from where the people will buy the ammunitions? There are the other stores like sporting goods. There are other stores like I'm particularly familiar with the sporting goods and Walmart, from where the people can buy the ammunitions. Um, what the question is, what usually they do with the ammunitions? The people buy the ammunition and go to the shooting zones. They play some games. They with the rifles, and also they are allowed to do hunting. For the huntings, there is a different process. So if you want to do the hunting with the ammunitions and guns, you must have an hunting license, and you have to go at the designated areas only. You're not allowed to hunt everywhere. You can hunt, but in the designated area only. So hunting, and then FOID license, and then the number third is, let me tell you about the fishing license. So how will you get the fishing license? For the fishing license, against you have to go to Departments of Natural Resources, Illinois. In USA, there are the Walmart stores also issue the fishing license. The cost is only $15. For FOID license, cost is only $11. You came to the Walmart, you just have to pay them and get your fishing license. That is valid for the 1 year. In 1 year, you can do the fishing anywhere within Illinois. That is one state. But if you change the state, you move from Illinois to Michigan or somewhere else state, you have to buy the license from that new states. And the license purchased from one state is not valid in another state. But the FOID license is usually the common. Wherever you are, you should have the FOID license, and that is valid within United States. So with that FOID, you can buy the ammunition, can sell. Usually the process is, when you apply for the FOID license, government check your uh, what we call background check. They run a background check. They see your criminal record. If anyone is involved in criminal activity, then the government deny to issue a FOID license to such person. So you must have a clear background, clear check. You should not involve in any of the criminal activity to get these benefits. So on the basis of that, criminal and background check, government issue of FOID license. But right now there is a long delay, because lot of the people want foil license this year 2020, around it's triple in the number. Like previous year it was 20,000, no, these are 60,000. And number two issue is the issue of delay is the delay is because the the department is facing the financial issues. They're not having the enough budget to issue the foil license. They need more money. Whenever it will cope up with budgets and available money, and then they will start issuing the foil license. But right now the people are waiting a lot. There are a lot in the number. So this was a little information regarding the how you can keep the ammunitions, how you can buy and sell the ammunitions, what and also what are the requirement to keep loaded guns. Loaded guns you must have a concealed carry license. Hope you got an information regarding the guns, ammunitions, fishing and hunting license. If you're having any question, write down in the comments. I will let you know what is the process and what you have to do. So you're watching Chef Awan TV. You can subscribe for more information. See you in the next video. Take care.